friends, let me introduce about myself. My name is Marfida Lutfirvanti and I'm from Group 7, and here I will explain about tax consulting. Before I explain more, does anyone understand tax consultant yet? Certainly, there are lots of people who often hear about tax consulting maybe. Tax consulting is a person who provides a tax consulting service to taxpayers in the context of exercising their rights and fulfilling their tax obligations in accordance with tax laws and regulations. So, in conclusion, tax consultant is a person whose job is to help taxpayers to take care of all matters relating to taxes. So, what is the functions of the tax consultant? Okay, let me answer it. So, tax consultant provided guidance to taxpayer and makes estimated taxes to be paid by taxpayer, make fiscal corrections maybe, and help prepare and manage data to be reported in accordance with tax assessment for a company. And a tax consultant will accompany if there is an examination of taxpayer objections from a taxpayer and an appeal filed by a taxpayer, and can reduce the burden on the company so that the company can focus more on developing its business. By using tax consultant service, the company will be more efficient. So, if the functions on a duty of a tax consultant are the same or different yet? Okay, I will start in A. For the assessment of a tax consultant is 1. Tax consultant taking care of matter relating to tax complication of client including calculating, paying, and reporting taxes. And 2. Tax consultant perform client tax planning service aimed at optimizing client profits. Included in this tax planning is the making of a tax consultant annual report. And 3. Evaluating data related to the emergence of tax burden that are detrimental to client company. And 4. Offering consulting service on tax issues. And 5. Our responsibility for representing or assisting the client during the tax audit. This is done because there are many clients who do not understand their tax problem. Tax consulting also help prepare data or documented during the audit. Then what a benefit for customer using tax consulting service? Well, I can answer it too. It is more efficient because the error rate is very small. So there is a minimal risk of paying more. The company is not burdened with tax administration matter when making the report and the reporting process because this has been handled directly by experts from tax consultant. Companies can focus more on business development. So need not use a tax consultant service. Actually, the decision tax must consider the needs of taxpayer who use tax consulting service. Therefore, you must estimate that you need with financial means. But after looking at the benefit of a company using a tax consultant, then I think that a company needs to use a tax consultant to make the company more advantageous. Okay guys, it is a bit long time since I explained about tax consulting, and I think there is also details about these explanations, and if there is a wrong word, I apologize, and keep spirit, take care of your health, take care wherever you are. Thank you to you all you guys, see you next video.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fazdani Salarasati. I'm from Group 7 and now I'm gonna tell you about my job. I work for the tax office as a tax accountant. I have 3 main tasks, namely calculating taxes, depositing taxes, and reporting taxes. The interesting about tax accountant, in my opinion, is that we can contribute to helping the state to pay taxes, which is useful for the development of the country into a better and prosperous country. Besides being able to help individuals and bodies in carrying out their obligation is a good and noble thing in my opinion. As a tax accountant, there are actually many words challenging at work. I just give a small example. Maybe it doesn't feel good because it takes a long time in front of the laptop screen, so it can make minus eyes keep adding up. And also I work with clients to maintain confidential data of our clients that make me challenging. For the salary, if you're in Jakarta, you can get a salary of around 7 million. And I work on Monday to Friday from 7 to 5. In my opinion, is quite enough and equal to the time I spend. The salary is also big according to the challenge and interesting of the tax account. Well, I guess that's enough. I just want to say thank you and I hope that you can become an accountant in the future. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Amalia Sukatima. I am here to give you a detailed information about my work. I guarantee that you will be interested, especially those majoring in tax accounting. Okay, I work as an auditor at a public accounting firm. You know that auditor, right? The auditor is a charge of internal control and tax preventing fraud. The auditor will examine financial documents to ensure that all activities are carried out correctly. If there are indications of fraud, the auditor must carry out of a thorough investigation. It is part, of course, it is auditor help jobs. That's why now just announce that we work with utmost honesty in documents inspection and the challenging thing for auditor is that we are able to work without any influence from any party in examining the documents. So I think my job is very interesting but also very challenging because the advantage of auditor is that the salary is quite high too. Therefore, it's quite interesting to be an editor.